this move, calling it political appeasement and a direct insult to the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who is widely credited with the creation of Jharkhand. In fact, the BJP spokespersons have called it a reflection of the petty mentality and political opportunism. They say that schemes like Ayushman Bharat and Atal clinics were path-breaking.
देखिए, झारखंड सरकार ने आज एक बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण निर्णय लिया और जो हमारे राज्य के निर्माता है अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के नाम पर जो अटल मोहल्ला क्लिनिक चल रही थी, उसे बदलकर मदर टेरेसा एडवांस क्लिनिक कर दिया, जो बिल्कुल कहीं भी उचित नहीं है और राजनीतिक शुचिता के अनुरूप नहीं है। अब जिन्होंने राज दिया, आप उनका नाम हटा रहे हैं और एक ऐसे मदर टेरेसा का नाम जोड़ रहे हैं जिनके बारे में आपको रियलिटी चेक करना चाहिए कि उनके संस्थान मिशनरीज ऑफ चैरिटी पर धर्म परिवर्तन के, धर्मांतरण के, संविधान विरोधी कार्य करने के गंभीर आरोप लगे थे।
So this is the charge by the BJP that says that this is an attempt to erase the legacy of Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who has contributed a lot in Jharkhand. In fact, the BJP has said if the government did want to give tributes to Mother Teresa, then it should have included the name in the new schemes that are being introduced by the government. Why is it that all schemes are being changed after Mother Teresa? In fact, we have more details coming in. In the latest, the BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has also launched a scathing attack on the Congress and the Hemant Soren government, calling the renaming a vote bank gimmick rooted in religious polarization. He in fact said that the hospital named after Atal Bihari Vajpayee, the founder of Jharkhand, has now been renamed after a foreign missionary. Here's what he goes on to say. It's in Hindi. Let me translate it for our viewers. Atal Clinic will now be Mother Teresa Clinic. It's a game of conversion and polarization that the Congress party is playing for vote bank politics. That's the charge by the BJP MP, saying this is vote bank politics. Just yesterday in Jharkhand, the hospital was running in the name of the former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, who ensured that Jharkhand became a separate state. It separated from Bihar. It has been renamed after a foreign missionary, he goes on to say, exposing the mentality of making Bangladeshis the voters of this country. That's the charge by the BJP MP. My colleague Sohan continues to stay live with us. And Sohan, the charge that has been made by the BJP is that this is an attempt to erase the legacy. In fact, Nishikant Dubey has even gone on to say that it's the mentality of having Bangladeshi voters that become the vote bank and decide what happens in the country. Sohan? All right, we don't have my colleague Sohan with us over the phone line, but this is the charge that has been leveled by the BJP, because the BJP says that these clinics are already functional and it is providing services to the people of the state. So why should the government now intervene and suddenly change the name to Mother Teresa? What the BJP says is that this is vote bank politics to appease people. In fact, it has also gone on to mention that this is religion politics being played by the party.